Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's me, Moody, and today I'm doing a video using all products that can be found at the beauty supply store. This is going to be very interesting considering a lot of these products I've never tried before. It's like 6:30, so I'm not sure if I'm really going to do a wear test or not. I don't know, I thought this would be a fun video or whatever. Let's get into it. As usual, I did already start off doing my eyebrows. I use the LA Girl Shady. That's crazy. I just got this new, like, letters are already off of it. LA Girl Shady something brow pencil in the color Blackest Brown. I was supposed to do like one eyebrow and come back and do the other eyebrow, but that was a fail. So everything that I have is like Kiss. Is Ruby Kisses and Kiss the same thing? Kiss New York? I don't know. I got Ruby Kisses, Kiss New York. This like Nika K line. I got a lot of stuff by Nika K, Kiss, and yeah, I don't know. We'll get into it. Sometimes you just gotta pray over the makeup. I ain't never tried this stuff before. Dear Lord, please don't let none of this makeup break me out. Please let my skin remain healthy and beautiful in your name. In your precious name, I do pray. Amen. It's that easy. Boom. Alright, so I'm going to start off by priming my face using this Kiss Pro Touch Mattifying Primer. It might not be that bad. Oh my gosh. It's kind of thick. It came out kind of like the Becca. Wow. My face, that took care of like all my oil. I'm not shining. Y'all see that? Okay, I'm a little impressed with that. I can't even lie. So pretty much everything is going to be new except for my LA Girl concealer. I just took the time to go ahead and re-up on some more colors like Warm Honey and Cool Tan because ours is pretty much out. So I'm going to take Cool Tan and I'm going to prime my eyelids. So I got this Perfect Colors 9 palette. It's called Desert Fairy. This was like, this thing was like $3-4. Like this palette was like $4. It was probably right at, oh, got a little cheapo applicator. We're not using that. This is what it looks like. These are all shimmers here. It looks like 2 highlights, and I figured I could use this as a contour color instead of buying another contour color. I did buy this like blush duo. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this palette for y'all. We'll swatch the gold. Ooh. Not bad. I like this one. I really keep looking at it. Wow, look at that. That is crazy. This palette was like $3-4. So like I said, I did get this blush duo by Nika K, New York. I'm going to take the orange shade and I'm going to use this as my transition color on my eyes. Yep, perfect. No idea what look I'm going for. Taking that contour color with that same brush. I'm using my Regular brush, by the way. I think this is the, don't know, it's the number 6. I should be using a smaller brush. Is anything happening? Maybe with these you have to use like an actual eyeshadow primer. I don't know. I don't know. The brown is the only matte in the palette, so I mean, what am I supposed to do? Moving on, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and dive in with the gold, the first gold. I could have cut the crease, but I don't think I want to do that today. I just want to pack it on so that they blend. I'm gonna do a few different packs. Now I'm going with this color, this more rustic copper. Alright, so it doesn't spread very good. That's one thing about it. It does not blend. This like white gold. It does not. Oh, it's like transferring. I don't know about this no more. So we're just going to move on to the eyeliner. We're going to do a wing liner with the Nika K liquid eyeliner. Oh god, Oh my gosh, it's like a felt tip. I didn't look into it. It's like a felt tip. It's like pointy. It's hard. I don't like these. Oh no. Oh, wow. I don't like felt tips because I feel like you can't control them as much. Like marker type eyeliners, I cannot stand. Oh my gosh, this is terrible. Look how thick my eyeliner is. Oh my gosh. Who am I? The eyeliner did all this. I didn't do anything. Wow. Oh, my throat. Now it's time to put on my false eyelashes. I didn't pick up a mascara, so I'm just going to put on my Maybelline mascara. So for my eyelashes, I'm going to be wearing these 3D volume lashes by, they're called Grace. I mean, the name of them is Grace. I don't know. I got my lashes on. I got my eyes done. Not looking too bad, if I might say so myself. Now I'm going to take this LA Girl Pro BB Cream High Definition Beauty Balm. I got the color dark. It was the darkest shade that they had there. They didn't even have the testers for the deep or the dark. I don't know if deep was darker. Oh God. I hope dark was deep, but okay. I'm going to use my e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush to blend this on. I'm going to just put it on my face. Look a little cool for my taste. A little bit cool. I'm more of a warm kind of girl, but let's see where it takes us. It's BB cream, so I figured I could play it safe with that and kind of... Okay. Oh, wait. It dries kind of quickly. Let me go ahead and blend this out. But yeah, I figured I could... Okay. BB cream. I figured... I've never even watched reviews on this or anything. I just knew it was LA Girl and it was, you know... I'd probably get what I paid for type thing. But it's giving me more of a full coverage than what I thought it would. Okay. But yeah, I was thinking that I could just, you know, get away with the BB cream and then kind of fleek myself with my concealer. I wasn't going to play no games with the concealer, y'all. I just couldn't do it. I actually had things to do. So I'm not sure if I'm going to do, like I said, a wear test or not. Look at, not bad. I'm not mad at it. This might just work. That eyeliner is thick AF today, y'all. I usually don't do my eyeliner that thick. And sometimes I be trying to do it super thick and I never can. I'm not mad at the BB cream. Hey, this might be a new go-to depending on how I wear. I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer and Fawn. I'm going to take a little bit of that Warm Honey too. I'm going to put that. Now I'm going to take Warm Honey, brand new Warm Honey, and put some of it down here too. While we letting our concealer sit a little bit, take that contour shade and first put it on my lower lash line. I don't know if things look a little funny or if it's just me. But now that we've let this sit a little bit, we're going to go in with our beauty sponge and blend everything out. I can't even lie, with the way that it's been doing, I'm kind of afraid what this contour is going to do to my face if it does nothing. Because I know how I do my highlight, and typically when I do my highlight, like, I look really washed out. I know I look really washed out like pale right now when I contour. Usually that brings everything back together. Ooh, honey, I don't know. We're going to take this Kisses Professional Pro Touch setting powder in the color Earth. They have a banana, but my beauty supply store was all out of banana. So I figured I would try this. I definitely wasn't going to try the translucent. I might be able to get with this. Oh no, it looks super orange though at the same time. I'm glad I did it this way because it's not like brightening at all. If anything, it's kind of making me a little bit flatter. Actually not mad at this powder at all. Now I'm just pressing it into my skin. Now I'm going to kind of thicken it up so I can bake with it. I'm not sure how good of an idea that is. Really don't need to bake anyways. But hey, I don't know how this is going to do, honey. I'm scared, no lie. Got a weird smell to it. Don't like this part at all. Maybe the face powder that I got would kind of help tie all this in together. This ain't where it's at though. Oh no, baby. Oh no. Oh. Alright, so far I actually really like the baking powder. I would like to try the yellow, and I would also like to try this with like my Airspun translucent, because I really like the finish of it. It's just not like yellow, so it's really not all that brightening. Looks really cute actually. So I got this pressed powder by Kiss. It says color may appear darker than actual. Color is same as tester. Again, there was no tester of this color, but I do believe this was the darkest. Okay, it looks so light on camera. If not the darkest, then the second to the darkest. It's called Rich Mocha. I'm gonna have to swatch this. I don't know about this one, honey. We're just gonna brush it on and go on about a day.
Mommy, you look like me.
What I am gonna do is cheat and spray some of my rose water, because y'all know this is my holy grail. Every time I'm done doing anything, but if I use powder, I'm using my Mario Badescu, so I'm gonna do that. If you ain't never used it, highly suggest using it. So for highlighter, I'm going to use this Ruby Kisses All Over Glow Bronzing Powder. Actually, I only went to one beauty supply store and they didn't even have any highlighters. They had a duo like with this brand, but I did not like those highlighters. They didn't have any bronzers or anything. Luckily, I still had this one from when I bought it a long time ago, so I'm just going to use that today. Clearly, when I was wearing this, I didn't know how to wear it, because I wore it one time and never wore it again, but this highlight is actually popping. I like it. Put on a little bit of blush from the duo. I'm going to put on the orange blush. I love like oranges and corals. Yeah, perfect. So for my lips, I'm going to use this Nika K Auto Lip Liner in the color Brown. Can never go wrong with the brown lip liner, my brown babies. Okay, how hard do I gotta press? This liner was like $1, maybe $2. Jeez Louise. Is it gonna come out? I will say this BB cream was strong enough to cover my birthmark, my beauty mark. Okay. So for my lips, I got two colors. I got Cocoa Bean. I remember that one by the Nika K New York. This is the True Matte liquid lipstick. And then Turkish Rose, because I love my nudes. Oh, probably Turkish Rose. Let's do those. Which NYX is at a lot of beauty supply stores. I just try to stay away from it because I want to do something different. Things I haven't tried before. But as far as these lips go, they need a little help. And it's going to give it to them. So we're going to finish the look off using the Ruby Kisses Never Touch Up Matte Finish Setting Spray. Check it out. Let me see how I spray first. Okay. Ooh, it got a smell to it. Smell like I'm spraying body spray on my face. I don't like that. Okay, guys. So, here we go. Let me go ahead and take my hair down. Should I take my hair down? So this is the completed look. Like I said, everything came from your local beauty supply store. Check them out. I will say that if you're a beginner and you're like looking for cheap makeup, then the beauty supply store isn't necessarily the best place for you to go. And I say that because you have Ulta, who has like buy one get one half off, buy two get one free. Like they have specials, they have coupons that you can use to help you kind of save money, versus the beauty supply store just kind of has like cheap price makeup that's kind of okay. So I mean, is it worth it? And some of it, yes. Like I'm really surprised with the BB cream, the mattifying primer. I'm really surprised with a lot of stuff, but I don't know. You know, to each his own. Whatever. I hope you guys enjoy this video. See you in my next one.